Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. Government required disclaimer, Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, good morning everybody, Mr. Mike here. It's 15 minutes into the open. I'm not going to be doing trading until after FOMC. But I want to show you, last night I did a video about an indicator called OuttaChop. And so I just want to give you another example of exactly what's happening here. So I've been using the see it through indicator and trying to figure out, I use that for my entry points for entering long and shorts. And so where this ray line is, this would have been my short position. And this is where I always say, well, we can enter in that area and see how she's chopped because it's in the black zone. Okay, so we know when I get into this position, I want to look for a short. But I've been waiting. MACD crossover happens. Looking at historical events sometimes. Look at this. Look at that go now. And then market open happens. Sell off there to a volume point of control. And then they've been playing whip again. So basically right now we're in chop again. It sounds kind of funny even though this thing just spiked up. But you would get wiped out back and forth. And now, because this is supposed to be my my breakout bar here, you know, at 950, we know we're just getting in that zone. And look, it's still black. So what I'm using this for is more for a confirmation to hopefully get in. And so even though this would have been a great this is 40, 80, so 40 point move, that's $800 move, but you're getting whipped out back and forth. And this is what this indicator is for, this OuttaChop area. Whatever which way that you trade. So if you're looking at it, what I would do is I look at my stop outs where the point of resistance is. So she's tapped, reversed, and then fired up again. This is your breakout, and see it's right in the beautiful green. And you're on the right side of the tread. And now look what they're doing. They're just
by opportunity.
It drives you crazy when these guys do this stuff. So it looks like, as a inexperienced trader was saying, yeah, let's get in. Look at how big it moved. It went from 30 to getting close to 100 level, right? So if I move this chart over, okay, now let's just keep it just blank, just with my quarters. So I only have quarters and OuttaChop here. We're in a black zone. See, it still looks like it was a big move, but if you look at the big range here, it looked like it fired up, played around, everybody gets destroyed, fired up again, looks really good, possibly breakout. We're almost at the 100 level. So right there, and see what will happen, see if it will chop down again. But there was no confirmation. Even these little moves here, guys, you think like it's not that much. If you really think about it, once you start get going, there's $200 there. No chop here. This one takes off. That was your nice move on this one. You're looking at your other analytics, and away you go. Even from there to there, another 18 points. And here it looks like, yeah, it's a great move, but it's still, I call it chop. So I hate it, it's doing this, but I mean, you can't do anything. I'm trying to really fine tune the algorithm. But like different areas from here to here, see, a little chop, this one would have been tick you off, but it's midnight anyways. But here you go, one big move. There's your cash out really quick to a quarter zone. So, and that's what it's for. It's like when you get nice trending days, like, well, this is a whip out day, but still, even you get little points here, you get a little points here, you hit consolidation, chop, looks like going down, and fire away you go again. And that's what it's for. I'm trying to track the energies and see where the money's or the delta's going or whatever you want to call it. So, but look at this. It looked like we were going to get excited for a guy's trade to go long. And look how it's just hanging out. Like you said, look to the left, trade to the right, but still, you could get destroyed. Maybe it'll go back down and screw you guys again. And that's why I have it designed this way. This is just a short video. It's only about 5 minutes long, but I want you guys to get and understand what the OuttaChop does. So whatever trading methodologies you do, just make sure you guys pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a good one. Take care.